Hello, friends and folks. Thank you for choosing to tune in to the Creative Middlescent today. It's been a hectic week that honestly I thought I won't be able to deliver anything for you today or something for you today or this Sunday. But instead, here I am. I will be sharing with you something to sew, and that's our sewing machine here. Something to sew and sell if you want a little side hustle. Who knows, it might become a big business, right? So, let's start this one. And if you like this idea, please don't forget to click that like icon below and tell me what you think in the comment section. Okay? For those who are just new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I would love to see you. So as you can see, I'm in our sewing room, and today we're going to learn to make a no-fuss dog poo bag pouch. As we say in this channel, keep learning, keep living. I know many of us love animals, but loving does come with responsibilities. That when your fur babies, or when you go out with your fur babies for a walk, you have to bring poo bags with you, right? And you also want to put these bags somewhere where it's easy to carry or pick up and is pleasing to the eyes. On the business side, you also want to make a dog poo pouch bag or a dog poo bag pouch that wouldn't take too much capital, as well as you won't spend so much time doing it that the product you're making becomes too expensive to sell. Thus, today I'm showing you my version of a dog poo bag pouch. Are you ready for it? It's free. Okay, come on, let's start. like my version of our dog poo bag pouch, and I hope you find it easy to learn. If you've made a business out of it, I would be very happy to know your story. Okay, please keep me updated. Nevertheless, if you'd rather buy one, just visit our Facebook page. Thank you for watching and see you next Sunday. Bye!